Hello and welcome to the Tigre.pup channel. I just discovered Yolanda has bald patches in her head. Woke up one day and I discovered that Yolanda had a couple of bald patches in her head, and I'm attempting to try to fade those out. So I'm going in with my clippers here. I'm trying to figure out how low are those bald patches in order to try to make them less noticeable. You can see it's kind of difficult to get an even blend for some reason. There's a couple of places that just won't go down. Gonna tip to try to blend it a little bit higher. Now I'm going to incorporate the sides because it's pretty far up her head where it's noticeable where the little patches are. You see a bald patch right there. And I just work my way around the head. That's I've done the clipper cut just now. I'm gonna go in with the scissors to try to blend the top with the bottom. Well, look, the sides, and I'm gonna hold my shears parallel. You can see the difference on one side from the other to get a nice blend here. Sometimes you have to move in another direction because the hair curls or goes in opposite directions. So you just have to kind of like maneuver your way around just so you can get the hair into view so that you can see where you want. Let's make it to blend it, basically. So that's what I'm doing here. So you see me going in one direction and another direction, and that's how that looks right there. Work my way around. Right here I'm using my comb in a different direction because it's a little bit easier to try to get an even blend. And sometimes you have to position yourself with a comb so that you can see where that line is from the shortest piece to the longest piece in order to get it to blend evenly. Now I'm going to work my way on the top here. So I'm dabbing in the hair. I think what I was trying to do here was trying to recreate the same haircut again, but I'm going to end up scrapping that idea. So, which was the bowl cut, if you didn't know, but I wanted to keep some length because I was planning on doing some hair color. But the hair is so, I mean, it comes out in clumps, and I didn't expect it to like go bald in places. So that's one thing you might have to look out for with this mannequin head. Just making sure I'm balanced on either side of the head as far as like the haircut is going so far. I have to cut a little bit more on one side to blend it a little bit better. But I'm not gonna lie, it's been like this for quite a while since I've gotten this mannequin. Her hair it constantly sheds. And I think since I lightened her hair, it's gotten worse. So I'm trying to get it nice and even on both sides, and I'm gonna work my way to the back. Here I'm just gonna attempt to blend the sides with the top. You can see I'm having a bit of a struggle combing through her hair. It's very hard to manage. I'm trying to get it a little bit longer in the front. So I'm trying to keep as much hair as I can, so that when I do my color application, you can actually see hair color. So and as I'm combing through the hair, I mean, there's hair still like coming out and everything. I'm going to check myself by going straight across, combing the hair straight up, and cutting it across to make sure it's nice and even. So far so good, just trimming a little bit off the ends here. Now you can see here where the bald patches are, but it's really, really bad. I think I decided to go a little bit shorter along the top. I didn't like the haircut that I previously did, so I'm cutting it a little bit shorter. So again, I'm working my way back up to the top in order to get a nice blend. Alright, I'm at the top. I'm going to angle it just the same. You can see I'm having a bit of a struggle to try to comb through the hair, and while I'm combing through the hair, is actually shedding a lot. Now I'm going to bring the hair down to the sides and connect the shortest piece in the back to the longest piece in the front here, so that when you comb the hair on the sides, on either side actually, it should still look very well blended. And here are the finished looks. Unfortunately, I didn't feel comfortable curling her hair or anything. That's what we're looking like right now. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit disappointed. I did curl it, but I'll try to show you what I was looking at. You can see it's even at the very top, so I personally wouldn't recommend this mannequin, especially if you're into color. So I decided to do a little video snippet of her journey. Unfortunately, I cannot recommend this mannequin. My hair sheds a lot and it doesn't accept color very well. And those are my final thoughts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.